Hello, I'm Tracy Mitchell. Welcome to my final project presentation for Info 244, where I'll be discussing the LibGuide I've designed for an excellent online searching tool, Bibliopedia. Bibliopedia was designed in 2010 by programmer Michael Widener using a grant received from the University of Texas Liberal Arts Instructional Services. The goal was to create a platform for sharing, searching, and visualizing archives. Bibliopedia is designed to assist both libraries and scholars in making new discoveries by transforming digital materials into visualized networks that can reveal previously overlooked patterns in metadata. Some of its unique features are: it helps analyze and visualize relationships among research projects. The platform enables a human-machine collaboration to discover specific mentions of relevant keywords and citations in critical literature. The tool provides citation metrics designed specifically for humanities research. Rather than simply generating bibliographies, the tool helps researchers contextualize and integrate research. This enables informed discussion of the scholarship. It uses semantic web technology to improve search capabilities and automate cross-referencing in searches. By utilizing technology available to the Internet, Bibliopedia can infer connections between different elements of archival objects, which improves searching capabilities and the discovery of new information. It can also access articles in any database that utilizes an application programming interface for data access. This feature allows Bibliopedia to break down the walls of digital silos, meaning that a single search of a keyword can be executed in several databases simultaneously. There are two target audiences for my LibGuide: librarians and researchers. First are librarians. As I already mentioned, Bibliopedia can execute a single search in several databases simultaneously. This includes closed data silos like Elsevier, as well as open access databases like Google Scholar. From there, the tool allows for revision tracking and provides a wiki format to encourage collaborative scholarship. As data sources are added to the tool, the data is aggregated from as many sources as available. Citations get converted into semantic web format and are cross-referenced with an ever-growing catalog of scholarly works, which serves to further enhance Bibliopedia's efficacy. This transformation of the catalog into linked data through semantic web technology makes data visualization and automatic inferences about relationships between archived items possible. Metadata is also converted into linked data format that can then be available without requiring access to the data silos. The way all this technology helps researchers is by providing a searching platform that goes beyond generating bibliographies. Bibliopedia helps researchers contextualize and interrogate research, which facilitates informed discussions of scholarship. This allows for research to be executed with greater depth than counting the number of citations on a paper or judging the quality of scholarship of an item based solely upon the reputation of the journals in which it's appeared. This element is particularly important today when open access scholarship is becoming more accepted. This separates Bibliopedia from search engines like Google Scholar that use exclusively machine-extracted data that leans toward prioritizing results by the number of citations of a paper, which can perpetuate errors and gaps in scholarship. To be honest, I have had some obstacles in my creation of my LibGuide. After trying many different approaches, I was unable to gain access to the tool. This meant that I had to completely abandon my plan to show Bibliopedia in action. Instead, in my LibGuide, I have chosen to discuss the technical aspects of the tool, along with giving descriptions of how the platform benefits my chosen audiences, which are illustrated with some screen grabs from projects executed using the tool. These projects were done at Stanford University, Bibliopedia's current development hub. While it was rather scary to change my plans last minute, it was important to me to stick with presenting Bibliopedia, because there is no other LibGuide specifically dedicated to this tool. And I feel it's a very important innovation in digital scholarship, particularly since it was designed exclusively for humanities research. The role I chose for the development of the guide was as an academic librarian. Beta testing would start with other faculty members, and the guide would eventually be put onto the school's library website. I hope you've enjoyed this brief introduction to my LibGuide and to Bibliopedia. Thank you.